Hello my creative friends, today I'm going to be teaching you 3 ways to do this amazing before and after effects on Premiere Pro, and we're starting right now. So in this channel I teach video editing, photo editing tutorial. If you're into stuff like that, consider subscribing and turning on post notification. Let's start with this tutorial. First step you do is you import your video, create a sequence, and then choose from the presets that they've given to you. I'll go with this one. This one is much better. Go with that one. Now put your video in a sequence. There we go. Yes. And then the next step is you're going to hold Alt plus the left click button and move it up. You go to colors. So if you have a preset or a lot, you choose from it. What you're going to be doing is you go to the effect panel, you look for crop effect, you grab it, put on a second clip, and then you go to the effect control panel. You go to the crop and selective keyframe. After you've selected keyframe, you move your cursor to the right and then select another keyframe. You go to the percentage and put it to 100 once you on the right side. So yeah, that's basically it. You've done the first method. So let's move on to the second method. Okay, so assuming that you've applied your LUTs and you've color graded your clip, the next step is you're going to be holding on Alt plus the right click button and move your first clip to the top. Then you go to the search, you type in linear wipe. You grab that linear wipe, you send it over to your second clip. Remember, the second clip, the clip on top is basically your after, and the clip at the bottom is basically your before. Okay, so the next step is you're going to the effect control panel. Under the linear wipe, find transition completion. Then set your keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Then you move it to the right. You set a keyframe, and make sure that your percentage is at 100%. And then you're basically done. Okay, so moving on to method number 3. Let's go. So method 3 is actually my favorite one, and I'll tell you the reason why it's my favorite one. Now apply a LUT on the top clip, which means the top clip is going to be the after and the bottom clip is going to be the before. Now this time you're going to crop the top clip to a point where you want the effect to start. You crop it to a point where you want the effect to start, and then you go to the effect panel. You go to the wipe and look for wipe transition. Go to the video transitions and look for wipe. Under the wipe section, you grab it, you put it right in front of the clip. Right in front of a clip. So you can grab it to make it longer or shorter. The favorite thing that I like about this one is this wipe is because you can basically make it wipe to any direction, and that's my favorite thing about it though. And it's much more easier. It's much more easier to do than the previous one. So yeah, that's it. You're basically done. Thanks for reaching till the end. If you've learned something from this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And if you want more tutorials, comment down below.